everyone. So we are doing something a little different tonight. The usual suspects are coming over. My parents, my brother Bobby, Sarah and her family, Pete, Maddie, Donovan, and Mike, of course. And we are going to have another theme night. This one has nothing to do with villains whatsoever. We are going to have a Moana movie night, and to accompany that, we are going to have a Polynesian themed dinner, which will include all of the Ohana favorites, the pot stickers, the noodles, the Ohana green beans. We're going to have grilled shrimp and chicken and steak, thanks to Bobby. And we are also going to have the famous Ohana bread pudding. And to start it all off, I am going to make us some Lapu Lapus like you would find at Tampu Lounge. So what, Mom? The recipe for Lapu Lapus calls for sour mix, and since that is our spotlight item tonight, I thought I would make the sour mix from scratch. It's very easy. It's only 4 ingredients. You just need equal parts water and sugar. I'm going to use 2 cups of each because I anticipate us having several Lapu Lapus. And then you also need the same amount in lemon juice, so 2 cups of lemon juice and half the amount of lime juice. So I know I said that in a really confusing way. So the recipe is 2 cups sugar, 2 cups water, 2 cups lemon juice, 1 cup of lime juice. And because that simple syrup that we're going to make is going to need to cool before we add the citrus juice to it, I'm going to go in there and get it started now so that it's ready to go when everybody gets here. Of course, you guys get to see my shoddy stove in action again, my death trap of a stove. I'm just going to add the water to the pot, and then the sugar, and stir it until it's all combined, and then I will turn the water off and just let it cool, and it should be ready by the time I need it. Next, we need to juice our lime and our lemons to add to our simple syrup to make our sour mix. Alright, now we're just going to add our simple syrup to the pitcher. What are the chances of me making it in without spilling it? Oh, there you go. Thank you. And 2 cups of lemon juice. And 1 cup of lime juice. Woohoo! Alright, that part's done. Alright, this is where it's going to get really dicey. Now we have to get the pineapples ready. To cut the top off and core them. So, here's hoping. Okay. Step 1's done. I have to put it together?
Oh, no.
Don't worry, I got Prison Mike in the photo.
Alright. Turns out assembly was pretty easy. They make it look so easy in the diagram. Easy peasy, all you do is this. Alright.
Sounds like something's happening.
How do I know when to stop? When it comes out the bottom?
And it sounds like you've hit plastic. Pull out. Look at that. That's half of it.
So what do I do now?
Does that bottom piece come on?
Is this what I'm supposed to do?
I bet. That's why assembly is required.
It smells delicious. There's juice. Turns out it's not bad. I should have been making these all along. How do I get this It's just gonna stay like that because I don't know how to get the rest of that core out.
That'll work.
Drink around it.
Oh, look at
That looks legit.
I'm feeling cocky now. Showing this pineapple is boss.
your ABCs, like professional folks.
It was.
Oh, oh, good. You brought some pineapple.
Needed slightly less fresh pineapple.
Oh, this is your thing. Oh, good Lord, don't be doing that. Now I know. I don't like that. Listen.
You've been walking around talking.
Me either.
He's coming up the stairs.
Just non-stoppable force. We have another one of these somewhere. We have two of them.
I brought mine over.
Why don't you get to work, Debbie?
This has exceeded expectations.
Some pineapple.
That's a whole ring. It's so neat.
Chuck me a little ring here. I'll take that little guy.
Make sure it's okay.
Yeah.
You should get some of your vodka out after and just soak it. Yeah, make pineapple infused vodka. Rough. Do you have any plain vodka that we could just put the pineapple in?
Probably.
Probably some.
There's no shortage of liquor around here.
I think I'm crooked.
Turns out this wasn't that much of a chore. Sarah helped and it went pretty quickly, and look at all of the pineapple we get as a prize. Plus this pineapple. There's a lot. So, at the end of the day, you need pineapple juice, dark rum, orange juice, your 151 to float, all of your pineapples, and your simple syrup. When it comes time to put your Lapu Lapu together, you are going to want 1 ounce of your sour mix, either homemade, like we did earlier, or store-bought. You need 2 ounces of orange juice, 3 ounces of pineapple juice, and 2 ounces of a good dark rum. Give her a shake. Whew, cold. The moment of truth. Please do not seep through the pineapple. Should I dump the ice in?
Yeah, there should be like a.
Bunch of ice. Yeah. All right, and a 151 float. How much is a floater? Is that a floater? All right. What?
Bob's volunteering to go first.
All right, Dad, come and get it.
These are all for the car.
Here you are, my fine sir.
Danger.
How is it?
All right.
Yeah? Is
Yes,
it?
it is, yeah.
Do you want me to cut some of the top of the pineapple off?
No, I just gonna poke my eye out.
It's like a sea of bushes I'm trying to see through.
In the jungle.
Countryland shots.
I'll trim them.
Sarah's doing some artwork for our toppers.
I know she did a good job.
Less danger. What was that?
For the artwork for her.
You should turn around.
Good look. Oh, jeez.
This is how they make them at the Tambu Lounge with this little nubby guy on top. But Sarah has done this, which is way more festive and way more fun. They kind of look like King Julian from Madagascar.
healthy floater.
I don't know what floater means. Another couple shots.
That's the 2 shots of rum.
All right, here's another one. How is it?
Why am I involved in this?
I want to know what you think. Be nice. Prison Mike's watching you.
And Dorothy.
Judging.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah?
That tastes literally just like what you get at Papali.
You think it's the homemade sour mix?
That's what you do with the lemon and lime? Oh, I know what you're doing. It's very good though.
Oh, good. My turn.
Walter, calm down.
Well, that's good. Success. Great success. Shrimp and chicken and steak. Ohana noodles. Thank you, Bobby.
Welcome.
It's Ohana green beans. Ohana wings. These wings are good.
Burn it, baby, burn it. There we go. Super flambéed.
Candle what?
What do you have there?
Making a little Ohana bread pudding.
I guess we all came over and played last time.
Here we go. Ooh. Yum. This is quite a feast.
Weigh 3,000 pounds.
Ice cream's all melty already. Delicious. Put the recipe down below for this too. All the recipes. I'll link at the bottom.
Just less bone.
What a cute dog.
Making life cheap.
That wraps up another successful family activity night. We had great food, we had amazing drinks, and who doesn't love Moana? I will post the recipe for the Lapu Lapus down below, and I will also provide all of the recipes for everything that you saw us eat tonight. Then you can have your own Polynesian / Moana themed evenings at your own houses. It's fun.